If you have been wondering how can you change your username on TikTok, you are in the right place, because today in this video I'm not only gonna show you how can you change your username on TikTok, but also how can you change your name as well. So today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow with me to the very end, so let's jump right into it. First, we need to go to your Play Store or App Store to make sure you have the TikTok app updated to the latest version for this method to work properly. As we know, social media apps keep moving things around all the time. So after updating, go ahead and open TikTok and make sure you are logged in. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That will take you to your profile just like that. As you can see, you can find your username right under your profile picture, but if you tap on it, it will only copy it. And if you tap on that symbol right next to it, it will only show you a method of how can you share your profile. So to change your username, tap on edit profile right here. Then on this category, tap on username to go ahead and take you to the changing username screen right here. So once you tap there, it will take you here. Go ahead and change your username and make sure there is a green tick right next to it to make sure that this username is available for you, and then tap on save in the top right corner to save the changes. That is for the username, as we can see. If you want to change the name, just tap on the name right on top of it, and basically you're gonna do the same thing. So just open the name category right there, change your name. For your name, you can type anything, it just doesn't have to be available or unique. Once you do that, again, tap on save in the top right corner, and your name should be saved and displayed in your account alongside with your username, as we have seen before. Now, that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please don't forget to leave your concerns for me in the comments. I'll check them out. And also, if this video has been helpful, as I said, please like and comment down below. It really does help the channel. Also, a subscribe will be awesome. It helps the channel a lot. And thank you very much for watching.